stepping a house that infused a sense of warmth, functionality, and personal storytelling, resulting in a home that feels both thoughtfully designed and deeply lived in. The living room showcases built-in bookshelves filled with her design book collection and vintage plate displays that add character and personal history. In the bar area, a unique faux tortoise armoire sourced from an estate sale adds an unexpected statement. The breakfast nook doubles as a multifunctional space, furnished with a cozy banquette and designer pillows, where the family spends much of their day. The kitchen retained its high-quality bones, including a Christopher Peacock foundation and waterworks fixtures. Okin updated it with Carrara countertops, subway tile, and a crisp white cabinet repaint to make it feel clean and modern. In the sunroom, which was previously empty and overlooked, she transformed it into a bright, inviting space. A mix of wicker furniture, coastal striped rugs, and floral upholstery created a breezy indoor-outdoor retreat. Without a backyard, Okin maximized the patio and deck with separate lounging and dining zones, using Serena and Lily furniture and raised garden beds for functionality and charm. This home is designed by Ariel Okin Interiors. The project in Westchester reflects her signature aesthetic, blending classic patterns, soft colors, and natural textures to create a cozy yet fresh atmosphere. Upon moving into a house that had been minimally maintained and rented out for years, Okin aimed to refresh its dated interiors. She focused on lightening the spaces and bringing in more light, updating features like a beige kitchen and red toile wallpaper. In the dining room, she layered antiques with new design elements. These included wallpaper from her upcoming collaboration and a graphic rug that mimics painted floors. This blend of old and new is a running theme throughout the house. Her family room draws inspiration from English country homes. She uses layered vintage textiles, blues and greens, and wrought tan accents to foster a sense of timeless comfort.